What up guys, PcModderTuts back with part 2, and this is the making like a registry form to an email account. So basically, if you are going to build a program and try and make money with it, so sell it, you want people to be able to download it and register their account, so register it. So well, yeah, that's basically it. So they can register an account, and then within like 3 or 4 days they can have, I don't know, a trial period account or something like that. So with the login, you can make multiple login sort of systems and then make them go to different areas. So with the Dropbox, you can make your accounts, so you can have one with accounts, so that can be the free users. So that will then open up just the free user, and then for the premium people that pay for your product, they can obviously have a different sort of login that will take them to a different place. Now I can show you all that in later episodes, but at the moment this is a part 2, and this will be the registration form. So we're going to take this, oh wow, okay, don't, fucking colour scheme, bastards. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is where we left off. So if the part 2 and part 1 have obviously uploaded, then you'll be here watching part 2, and you should have a form looking sort of like mine, obviously a bit neater, and or it might not, it might look exactly like mine, and yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to delete that button, because we're going to add another button in a second. And so after you get them to log in, they'll go to this page, and this will be your main form. We can have them, we could just have them come to here. So what we want is, we want some text boxes. Text box, text box, text box, text box. We'll have 4 of them, and they can just be sat in the middle. Make them a bit longer. So I just eating something, so you might hear me like sucking. So yeah, I was eating some popcorn. Tastes quite nice. So after that, we're gonna need some labels. So we get some labels. Drag them down. Now obviously you want yours looking neat. Well, for your first time I wouldn't even bother. You just want to get to know the program basically. So we want this one as username. Now with this method, if you are going to sell it, people are going to have to tell you their passwords, but not their private passwords. So obviously you do a terms of service to say, don't tell me your password, just make up one that nobody will know. Because obviously you're the only person that can access your Dropbox. So that's why I said it's not secure, and people aren't going to like the fact that you're having their passwords. But obviously then it keeps it nice and secure, so only you and the user will know that specific password. And why would you want their account if you're the owner of it? Obviously, because you can make your own little separate login, so when you use your account it would take you to, I don't know, some awesome sort of place. I don't know, it's what I got on my my program. So for this one, we will have, if people pay, it will be like an I don't know, like PayPal ID. So we have a PayPal ID, and then the last one will be, I don't know, phone. I don't know why you would want their phone, but anyway, we will get ourselves a button. We like our buttons. And that's going to be our send button. Send. Now obviously I copied these out of my other program that I've made, so I can't remember the codes off my heart. So all credit to the codes would be to the vbforums.net. I think it's still alive, I can't remember. But basically I got these codes ages and ages ago. Nobody does coding for VB, for Dropbox should I say. So we'll just move all of these up and make it look a little bit neater, because I've been very scuffy at the moment. So basically we got our little registry form. We will change it to register. So now it says register. So first of all, double click your start. Before we do that, we want to go back to here and add some more stuff. I totally forgot. Let's go down and we will get a progress bar. This is just to add some coolness to your program, basically. So obviously, if you are making fake programs, I know people do. But if you're making a fake program, then obviously you can use this to implement it. I'm not encouraging you to make a fake program, but this is basically how you would do it. And you'll add a timer. So now back to the double click on that button. All the codes, like I said, will be in the description. First of all, we've got to import our mail, so it'll know that we're coding in like an email form. So we'll go up and paste it in. And I just lost my mouse. There we go. I hate wireless mouses. So basically, the first one is this code here. Now this is the mail itself. So like I said, make the Gmail before. I'm going to make one to show you how to make the Gmail in a second. But we will paste it in there and it will come up with so-and-so.click. We will delete that line there. That's just from my program. And voila. Right, so delete that end stub there. Oh shit, there we go. So it will say text box 5 not registered because we haven't got 5 text boxes. So drag from here and just delete that. So here we go. Obviously we're going to live.com. So oh yeah, I was getting a Camtasia. My Camtasia is sort of messed up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it a second because I might be logged into my private email, and I'll be back when I log out. And what do you know, I was logged in. So here we go. You get to here when you go to live.com, and yeah. So what we want to do is we want to go to sign up now, and wait for it to load. My internet's being really slow, so I don't know why. So obviously you want to fill this out. Now, because this is a program, I don't recommend doing your private stuff, e.g. your real name, your real date of birth, and all that lot. This is basically going to be a dummy account, so we can basically use it to log people's registrations, so you can add their accounts to your Dropbox. Now, this could get banned, because obviously, if you're, let's say, popular, and you release the program, and tons of people want an account, so they're going to be clicking that registration button, your emails are going to get spammed in. Now, because this is live, they have an anti-spam system. So if you're spamming yourself, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. You're more likely going to get banned. So that's just a warning. If you are going to send this out, try not to get people to spam it, because it will ban, and then obviously you have to make a new one and stuff like that. So we're just going to call it PcMod, last name YouTube. Date of birth, we'll just put it as April the 5th, and then we will be fucking 60 odd years old. We will be a male. Now here we want live.com, so remember that, live.com. Right, so we're just going to call it YouTube PcModder. That won't be created. Now the password, we're just going to call it YouTube12345. If you want this account, be my guest. Oh, it can't contain your last fucking dicks. We will call it then PcModderTuts 1234. Oh my god. Okay. We will call this FXYT Mods 1234. There we go. FXYT Mods 1234. It'll ask me to register this, I think. 076, some random numbers, because I just feel like spamming. That looks about right. Alternative email address. Now this is just in case you obviously lose your password or something like that, you want to reset it. So I'm going to set it to a programs at live.com, I think it is. I can't remember that email, but who cares. United Kingdom zip code. If you want to figure out where I live, then I'll put in my real zip code. Why not? Actually, yeah, I'll fake you all. I'll put in my old zip code where I used to live, and then you can figure it out. So that's a 0 actually. 0LF, if you really want to figure out where I used to live. There it is there. VFV MTDM. No, I don't want promotional offers, fuck off. And it's creating, and welcome in. Okay, so we'll just use HTTP, I don't mind. Ow. Okay, you know what, fuck it, just save, I don't care. So obviously you get your first email from the contact team, and we're just going to delete it. Okay, we can't delete it because we didn't select it apparently. There we go, okay, now it's deleted. We have an empty inbox, so we will just minus that. We'll go back to this. Now your email will be the email that we just made. Even I can't remember it. Holy shit. What was the email for this account? I really can't remember, and it was like 2 seconds ago. There we go. So that was the email. Oh shit. See, this is why I hate wireless mouses. I don't recommend one. If you're using one, tell me what yours is like, because mine's a piece of crap. So you put in your email and then obviously your password. So FXYT mods 1234. Everywhere that says your email, that's where you post that email that we just made. So, and here, paste. So, okay, so we got all of that in. It's looking good and dandy, apart from we're missing an exclamation mark on there. Apparently. And we're missing a little hyphen, comma-y, whatever it's called, one of them beasts. Okay, why is it asking me for that? I don't know. Did I actually have that in there? No, I didn't. Because I done it wrong. Again, what do you know, people? I've done it wrong again. There we go. Okay, so we have our email system in, but we have this timer start. Now what's that going to be for? Well, let's go back to here, and I can't even remember how to do this. Oh yeah, here we go. Double click this and it'll make a hide thingy. Hi. Oh no, what am I doing? You don't click that at all, people. You click your timer down here. It'll come up with timer.tick. You go to here and you copy the stuff that I put in the description. Go back to VB, paste that in, just delete that one line, and basically that will activate your progress bar, so it will look awesome when you hit it. We'll delete that one message box. You can obviously have it to spam someone if you really want to, just make a load of message boxes to pop open. Now as you can tell, I've already coded this here. So text box 1 will be the username, text box 2 will be the pass, and then the email. But what's ours? What does it say? PayPal ID. So instead of email, put it as PPID ID. And then the last one was phone. Okay, so let's just save that. Make sure it is properly saved. Make sure I haven't forgotten anything. No, it's looking good and dandy. So let's go to this page. Let's have a look. Yes, we will save this. Remember to do the 2 and change that to a 0. We will go to Publish Wizard. I'm actually rendering part 1 as we speak. So now we're just going to click finish, because in the first part, if you haven't watched it, there will be an annotation at the start of this video if you want to go back and click part 1 to see how we got our actual form 1 and stuff like that loaded. And this is building. Ugh. Have a nice stretch while we wait for this to load. Ugh. God, I'm tired. And it's still building. Completing operation, publishing, and it's finished. Okay, so we go into application files. We have a 2.0 right here. We will get rid of the deploy. Delete. Yes. Are you actually going to load, computer? Hello? Well, the computer's crashing. That's all I can say. So what we want to do is we're going to go change our desktop version, not a desktop version, our version of our Shiznik to 2.0, or else it'll going to have to say update. So 2.0.0. Oh shit. And now we're going to save it. Now, as you can tell from here, we need to go to our 2.0, copy, and paste it into here. Because this is our 2.0, so we don't want people downloading an old version, so we copy and replace. Wait for it to upload. And that's done. So let's run our new program. Well, not really new, but run our program. Just minus that in the background. And then if it loads, it should load. My computer is probably running at max speed right now, trying to process so much crap. And it's loaded up. So there's an update apparently. No, we won't update. I think it's because my Dropbox is down or something. I don't know, but let's go to PcModder, and the YouTube was YouTube. Was it? Did I even spell that right? There we go. Okay, it says welcome, and now we've got the registration page. Ooh. Oh wow, awesome! I didn't know you could do that. So now you can have a look at my desktop. Let's make this really big. See, we need to change that so people can't actually do this. But anyway, your username will be YouTube. Your password will be lolvb. Your PayPal ID will be 12345. And my phone will be 06834567. Send. Now if it comes up with an error, it probably will the first couple of times. As you can tell, it comes up with an error. And it used to do this a lot. I don't know why. But basically you need a DDL file. And I don't know why it does it, but it does. So you just click continue. And we'll just go back to the Hotmail, or maybe not. Let's go back to live. Oh shit, live. I really don't know why it does it, but it does. it'll probably do it again. But anyway, let's go to the inbox. And it will say, please sign into your account, because it will say somebody else has tried using it. So basically you go to here, and you go to here, because you need to validate your account. Because you're using it on a program, it will always say that error until you validate it. So voila, we go to here. It'll probably come up with it again. Yes. It comes up with like somebody tried using your account or something like that. Automatic programs sending you junk mails. Thank you for your patience. But what we're going to do is we're going to disable that. So we're going to go to privacy settings. I can't remember. I already changed it now. No, it wasn't in that. It was in account settings. Permissions, I think. Manage my account. Add accounts. I really can't remember how I done this last time. Parental. No, I really cannot remember. It's really gonna bug me now because I'm trying to do this tutorial for you guys and this email is just fucked up. But if you have the SMPs for Gmail, then be my guest and go use that. We'll try send it once more. It will say error. Oh, it actually sent. And there we go. See, it came up there. So do this progress bar. Obviously it sends straight away, but we want them to wait because they look at your beautiful program. So when that hits to 100%, it will say wait up for 3 days for your accounts. So we can close off the program. See, login YouTube. So info, his username will be YouTube. His password will be lolvb. And then his PayPal ID will be that, and then the phone number will be straight after that. I don't know why it does that. We forgot to do a comma sort of thing. But yeah, at least we know it works. And then obviously you just emailed yourself. So the first couple of times it will crash and say you're a fail, and basically. But it's to help stop spam apparently. So we're going to go fix that up a little bit more. And then that would be the end of the tutorial. So let's go back to this, and I really need to burp, but I don't want to. And then right here, we want to add that. No, I spaced barred it. God, what are you doing? I did. This is why I hate my mouse. Okay, across, in there, space, comma. Uh-oh. How did I put numlock on, is what I would like to know. Anybody know how to take numlock off on a PC? PC or Mac? I somehow hit numlock, and now it's failed it. Eh. Numlock anyone? Wait, you can't even get numlock on a laptop, so what the fuck? Okay, we're gonna do this the sneaky way. We're gonna do it there. Alright, see we added that. We're gonna copy it because my computer is fucked up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and paste it in. Go! It still deleted it. You know what? We'll do it the easy way. Wait, why isn't that phone red? That's not good. What we're gonna do is we're going to go over here. Highlight all of this. Copy. Paste. Why did we just copy and paste all that? I really don't know. Copy. We're going to give him the exclamation mark and then paste it in. I forgot a space. God damn it. Oh, I actually automatically put in the space. Okay. So my computer has now somehow put a numlock on. I don't even know how. So it deletes all the words if I type over them. It's really gonna fuck me off when it does that, but hey ho. So we save, and now we are going to process for the last time. Go to my project. We'll just leave it like that because I really can't be asked to change it in Dropbox. Hit finish. And just check how long we've been recording. 26 minutes just to do this. Blimmin' hell. It's a long video. So application files, and then here's the latest one. Get rid of the deploy. Delete. Okay. Yes, I would like to change it. Run it. And wait for it to load because it's so slow. No, I don't want to download. Username. Right, I'll show you the failed 3 times thing as well. So if people try, obviously, guess your account, they'll obviously get prompted with this. And then they'll try guess it again, and they'll keep on saying login failed. Now, if we do it again, you have failed 3 times, and it will automatically close the program. It won't lock them out for so long because we haven't added that, but basically it'll close the program, then they'll have to restart it again. So it'll be just a waste of time, just keep on trying it. Alright, no. Okay, so PcModder, and then YouTube, login. It'll say welcome. When we come to our registration page now, we'll just put PcModder, password as YouTube, ID as phone as send. It should say sent. Thanks for your email. Obviously you can say your account has been registered or anything like that. We'll wait for the bar even though we don't have to. We can just close it off, but we like to see our lovely little message we created. So we'll close off that, we'll minus that, and what do you know, we've got login as PcModder. So this guy wants his username as PcModder, and then he wants his password as YouTube, so you put that and that into your Dropbox. Then obviously you've got his PayPal ID, so you can log into PayPal and search for his ID if you sell the item. And then obviously you can call him up and ask for his mum's phone number instead. Just kidding, don't do that. That's just in case you're an actual business person and you want to contact your customers or friends or anything like that, and if they put it legitly. So that has been the end of the tutorial 1 and 2. If you want more, hit the like button, comment, rate, subscribe, and if you have any questions, like could you help me and stuff, just write them down in the comments, and I tend to reply to everyone. If I can't, then I'm sorry, it's just I am very busy and I don't upload too often because I am very busy. So this has been PcModderTuts, and I will see you in the next video.